Welcome to today's special video showcasing jaw-dropping moments on roads, showing how one small mistake can lead to huge problems, from idiots in cars to instant karma and more. Sit back and enjoy the video. A zero IQ move from the truck, overtaking in that moment, then realizing its mistake, and instead of braking and pulling back in, they attempt to swerve off the road. Two idiots racing and putting other people's lives in danger. It takes talent to be this stupid.
$1 on Trey Turner. The Padres were willing to give more than that. They were willing to give about $400 million for Aaron Judge. You saw an aging reliever just got from the Red Sox. Jameson Taillon from the Cubs.
Another entitled pickup truck driver just thinking they're the only ones on the road. Watch as this red light runner is about to get T-boned into a new dimension.
Holy.
Watch the truck on the left. He didn't pay attention to the road in front of him and caused a collision with multiple vehicles. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Tesla narrowly misses a pedestrian who tripped and fell onto the road. In what world did the black car think it was safe to go without seeing what's behind the truck?
Because that's where he turned right into me. So like, and then boom, like he turned into me.
It looked like he came.
Yeah, he did. He turned into me.
You in the Suburban?
Yeah, in the black one, yeah.
In the black one? He didn't goddamn it go straight through the light though, he would have missed it.
Yep.
He turned and came directly into you.
Yep. Oh, man.
Get ready for a motorbike attempting to swerve through two lanes. He found out exactly why you need to be more aware.
Why?
This driver was completely unaware and did not check their blind spots.
Impact detected. Connecting to the
Black car completely lost focus, but luckily both cars managed to control their vehicles very well and avoided a bigger crash.
Jesus fucking Christ!
God damn it! Oh my god! Are you fucking retarded?
Standing across the chocolate waters and undercurrents of the inner sea
Fuck!
Entitled Tesla driver doesn't want a car to merge in front of them, so decides to crash into 3 other cars to feel better about themselves. Luckily, both drivers were okay as the fall wasn't big at all.